Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Rapoo, a wireless peripheral technology company, launches its latest optical gaming mouse V29 PRO with a resolution of up to 8000 dpi with maximum tracking speed of 100 inches per second, and maximum acceleration of 20 G. The mouse is neither heavy nor bulky at just 102 grams. With left and right button switches, rated up to 20 million clicks, whereas middle and DPI button rated up to 3 million clicks, followed by side button 1 million clicks. The souse switches bring exceptional click feel, response and consistency. The mouse also offers radiant 360-degree RGB light ring with effects, and it is workable in a system like Windows XP/Vista/7/8/ to match for an immersive gaming experience. The V29 PRO features an APM lighting mode that reflects your actions per minute with a spectacular light show. The V29 PRO features 7 customizable native DPI settings that support up to 8000 dpi, which can be set to a gamer's individual style or preference. The onboard memory allows users to customize lighting and effects and save up to 3 profiles for on-the-go gaming. LED lighting customization allows users to choose and set RGB colors on the 360-degree light ring and DPI button using Windows XP/Vista/7/8/10 system. In addition, advanced customization tools include sensor performance settings, macros and DPI settings. Designed for comfortable gaming sessions, the V29 PRO uses a flexible, braided cable for smoother movements and lasting durability. The mouse also features a comfortable symmetrical design with large skates for enhanced gliding and smoother movements across surfaces. The product is already available with leading retail stores and e-commerce portals in India for Rs 2,999. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.